What if I told you there's a place in the universe so cold that it's even colder than the leftover temperature from the Big Bang? Far beyond our solar system lies a mysterious region where temperatures drop to nearly absolute zero. This incredible place is known as the Boomerang Nebula, and it is officially recognized as the coldest natural place in the known universe. But how did it become colder than space itself? Today, we're traveling billions of kilometers across the cosmos to uncover one of the universe's greatest frozen mysteries. The universe is filled with extreme environments. Some stars burn at millions of degrees, while black holes possess gravity so powerful that not even light can escape. Yet among all these cosmic wonders exists a place where almost everything is frozen beyond imagination. Scientists call this remarkable object the Boomerang Nebula, located about 5,000 light-years from Earth in the constellation Centaurus. The Boomerang Nebula was formed by a dying star that is reaching the final stages of its life. As the star runs out of fuel, it throws enormous amounts of gas into space at incredible speeds. This rapidly expanding gas cools dramatically as it spreads outward, creating temperatures of around 1 Kelvin, or about -272 degrees Celsius. That makes it even colder than the natural background temperature of space, which is about -270.45 degrees Celsius. To understand just how cold this is, imagine the coldest winter on Earth. Even Antarctica, where temperatures can fall below -80 degrees Celsius, is still incredibly warm compared to the Boomerang Nebula. At these unbelievable temperatures, almost all molecular movement nearly stops. It is one of the closest natural environments to absolute zero, the coldest temperature theoretically possible. Scientists discovered this frozen wonder using powerful telescopes capable of observing invisible wavelengths of light. Space observatories and radio telescopes detected the unusual cloud of expanding gas and noticed that it absorbed radiation from the surrounding universe. Later observations by the Atacama Large Millimeter/Submillimeter Array, ALMA, revealed stunning details of its unique shape and freezing gases, helping astronomers better understand how dying stars evolve. The Boomerang Nebula is often called a preplanetary nebula because it represents a brief stage between a dying star and a fully developed planetary nebula. Although it appears to have the shape of a boomerang in early telescope images, more advanced observations show two giant lobes of gas expanding in opposite directions. These beautiful clouds create one of the most breathtaking sights in the entire universe. But why is the Boomerang Nebula colder than outer space itself? The answer lies in a process called adiabatic expansion. As gas rushes away from the dying star at extremely high speeds, it expands rapidly. This expansion causes the gas to lose heat very quickly, allowing it to become even colder than the faint radiation left over from the Big Bang. It is a rare natural phenomenon that has fascinated astronomers for decades. The Boomerang Nebula is just one example of how strange and wonderful the universe can be. Scientists continue to study objects like this to better understand the life cycles of stars and the physical laws that govern our cosmos. Every discovery helps answer important questions about how stars are born, how they die, and how they shape the galaxies around them. Future space telescopes and advanced observatories may reveal even colder or more mysterious regions hidden somewhere in the universe. With every new mission, humanity moves one step closer to understanding the incredible secrets of deep space. The universe is far larger and stranger than we can imagine, and the Boomerang Nebula reminds us that even in the coldest darkness, there is extraordinary beauty waiting to be discovered. Scientists believe the Boomerang Nebula will not remain the coldest place forever. As the dying star at its center continues to evolve, the expanding cloud of ultra-cold gas will slowly spread into space. Over thousands of years, the gas will become less dense, and its temperature will gradually increase as it absorbs radiation from the surrounding universe. This means the nebula's record-breaking cold temperature is only temporary in the life of the cosmos. One fascinating question is whether humans could ever travel to the Boomerang Nebula. The answer is no, not with today's technology. Located about 5,000 light-years away, even the fastest spacecraft ever built would need tens of thousands of years to reach it. For now, astronomers can only study this frozen wonder using powerful space telescopes and radio observatories from Earth. If a person could somehow enter the Boomerang Nebula without proper protection, survival would be impossible. The vacuum of space contains almost no oxygen or air pressure, and the incredibly low temperature would make the environment instantly fatal. Modern spacesuits are designed to protect astronauts from extreme conditions, but no current technology could safely support a human inside such an extraordinary region for long periods. The Boomerang Nebula also teaches scientists valuable lessons about the life cycle of stars. Every star, including our own sun, will eventually run out of fuel. As stars age, they expand, shed their outer layers, and transform into beautiful nebulae before ending their lives as white dwarfs or, in the case of more massive stars, exploding as supernovae. Studying objects like the Boomerang Nebula helps astronomers understand how stars evolve and how the elements needed for planets, and even life, are spread throughout the universe. Although the Boomerang Nebula is currently considered the coldest naturally known place in the universe, astronomers continue searching for even more extreme cosmic environments. Every year, new telescopes discover distant galaxies, mysterious nebulae, and strange celestial objects that challenge our understanding of physics. Future observatories may one day reveal an even colder region hidden somewhere in the vast darkness of space. The universe is a place of incredible extremes. It contains stars hotter than millions of degrees, black holes with gravity powerful enough to trap light, and frozen regions colder than almost anything we can imagine. The Boomerang Nebula stands as a reminder that the cosmos is still full of mysteries waiting to be explored. Every discovery inspires new questions and brings humanity one step closer to understanding the incredible universe we call home. Could life exist in such extreme cold? One of the biggest questions scientists ask is whether life could survive in an environment as cold as the Boomerang Nebula. On Earth, tiny microorganisms called extremophiles can live in freezing ice, deep oceans, and harsh deserts. However, the Boomerang Nebula is far colder than any place on Earth and exists in the vacuum of space. With almost no heat, no liquid water, and intense cosmic radiation, scientists believe life as we know it could not survive there. Even so, studying these extreme environments helps researchers understand where life might exist elsewhere in the universe. How do scientists measure temperature in space? Unlike Earth, scientists cannot place a thermometer inside a distant nebula. Instead, they use powerful radio telescopes and space observatories to analyze the light emitted and absorbed by gases. Every gas produces a unique spectral signature, allowing astronomers to calculate its temperature with remarkable accuracy. This advanced technique has helped scientists identify the Boomerang Nebula as the coldest naturally known place in the universe. The difference between cold space and the Boomerang Nebula. Many people think outer space is the coldest place imaginable. Surprisingly, most empty space has a temperature of about 2.7 Kelvin, thanks to the cosmic microwave background, the leftover radiation from the Big Bang. The Boomerang Nebula is even colder, reaching nearly 1 Kelvin because its gas expands so rapidly that it loses heat faster than the surrounding universe. What would happen to a spacecraft? If a spacecraft traveled through the Boomerang Nebula, its systems would face one of the harshest environments in the universe. Electronic equipment would require powerful heating systems to function properly, while sensitive instruments would need insulation against the extreme cold. Engineers already use similar technology on spacecraft exploring the outer solar system, but the Boomerang Nebula would present an even greater challenge. The future of space exploration. Next-generation observatories, such as future space telescopes and advanced radio arrays, will allow scientists to study cold cosmic objects in greater detail than ever before. These missions may discover new frozen nebulae, mysterious molecular clouds, or even colder regions hidden deep within distant galaxies. Every new discovery expands our understanding of how the universe works. Amazing facts about the Boomerang Nebula. Did you know that the gas inside the Boomerang Nebula is expanding at hundreds of thousands of kilometers per hour? It is also one of the few known places where the gas becomes colder than the background temperature of the universe itself. This rare phenomenon makes it one of the most extraordinary natural laboratories for studying physics and the evolution of stars. Could humans ever visit it? With today's technology, visiting the Boomerang Nebula is impossible. At a distance of approximately 5,000 light-years, even the fastest spacecraft humanity has ever launched would require many thousands of years to reach it. Future breakthroughs in propulsion technology may shorten that journey, but for now, this frozen wonder remains far beyond our reach. Why the coldest place matters. The Boomerang Nebula is much more than a scientific curiosity. It provides valuable clues about the life cycles of stars, the behavior of gases in extreme conditions, and the history of our galaxy. Every observation helps astronomers improve computer models of the universe and answer some of humanity's biggest questions about the origin and evolution of cosmic structures. So, the next time you think of cold weather on Earth, remember that somewhere in the vast universe exists a place so cold that it pushes the limits of nature itself. The Boomerang Nebula stands as one of the greatest wonders of modern astronomy and a powerful reminder of how much we still have to learn about the cosmos. If you enjoyed this journey through the coldest place in the universe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Stories World Official, and turn on notifications for more amazing documentaries about space, science, technology, and the greatest mysteries of the universe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.